Hey Pioneers, it's Teresa here, and I am so excited about the Alumni Recruiting Kit and your opportunity to help recruit some great people to the Wayland family. We know what amazing people we have. You're one of them, and you know people who would love this Wayland experience. It's a great place to be. It's a great place for kids to learn, prepare for their future, and be loved on and be cared for and get a little bit of Jesus while they're here. So we know it's a great experience and you do too. So I want to give you a little bit of help, right? So we've given you these cards. They've got your cheat notes on there so you can remember how to do it. So I'm going to give you some examples in this little video, okay? So first off, I've said on the card for you to know your own Wayland story. Share your own Wayland story. Things have changed since you've been here a little bit. Obviously, we have some new buildings. We probably have new professors. But the overall feel of Wayland has not changed. So your story is the only way you can convey that. You don't know what's happening now. That's okay. You don't have to know all the details. Just know that you loved it, okay? So I'm going to share my elevator speech, and hopefully this will help you, okay? Okay, I'm going to role play this, and I am going to be talking to Mrs. Jones, a lady I go to church with, and sharing her a little bit of my story. Here goes. Mrs. Jones, I know you have kids that are coming up ready for college age, and I just have to encourage you to try to bring them out and let them visit us at Wayland and see if they would love it. Here's what I loved about it. I was an English major. I was a mass communications major. I got involved in a lot of things on campus, and I got a lot of experiences through my majors that I might have not gotten to get at a larger school. And those things actually helped me get my first job out of college because I had vast experience like editing the school newspaper and things like that that I may not even be able to do at a big school. Also, my professors loved and cared for me. They really took me in and encouraged me. They showed me my potential, and they just were my cheerleaders. And they knew my name. When I came back to work here, they remembered my name. They become colleagues and friends, and I don't know that that can happen at just any place, but and not just my major professors, but all of my professors. Everybody cared about me from one level to the next, and I felt like as an overall student, I was just being championed, and I think your kids would find the same exact love and care that I did here. It's as easy as that, guys. That's all you need to do. The biggest thing is that you're familiar with your own Wayland story. If it helps you to write it out a little bit, you want to get it in 5 minutes or less. You just want to be able to give somebody a quick reason of your favorite things. What did you love the most? How did it really impact you? What did it help you do after you graduated? Get a great job, get ahead in the workforce. The kind of skills that you have that will benefit someone else. That's what you want to be familiar with. Just know it inside and out. You've probably shared it before. You may have just shared more details with it. That's okay. You can share more. If they have more questions, you can always tell more. But know the succinct elevator speech, we call it, so that you can tell someone briefly what you loved about Wayland and why they met too. You can help us out greatly by putting some great students in our path, and we will make sure you know if you share your information with them. We'll make sure you know that they've responded to that card and that they're reaching out for information from us. So we are depending on you. You're our biggest advertisement because our alums are such amazing people. We know you are, and we know you have great experiences. So all we're asking you to do is put them together. Help us get other great people like you right here. Call me if I can help you, all right? Thank you.